Welcome to IT Assembler, your destination for practical IT knowledge and hands-on tutorials. Here you'll find step-by-step guides on Microsoft 365, Active Directory, Windows Server, networking, Azure, Intune, Exchange Online, SharePoint, cybersecurity, and enterprise IT solutions. Whether you're an IT beginner or an experienced administrator, IT Assembler helps you learn, troubleshoot, and stay ahead in the world of technology. Subscribe and join the journey to build, manage, and master modern. In this today video, I will show you how we can get HWID for Intune Autopilot enrollment from a Windows PC. Step 1. Open PowerShell as administrator. Click Start. Type PowerShell. Right-click Windows PowerShell. Select Run as administrator. You must run it as admin, or the script will fail. Step 2. Paste the Autopilot HWID script. Copy and paste this script into the PowerShell window. This script does three things. Allows the script to run. Installs the official Get-WindowsAutopilotInfo tool. Generates the Autopilot HWID.csv file. After the script finishes, you will see a file named Autopilot HWID.csv. It will be saved in the folder where PowerShell was opened, usually your user folder unless you change directory. That's all. This is step-by-step method to get hardware ID for uploading the CSV to Autopilot Intune. Hope you understand and like this video. Please subscribe and like for more videos like this. Comment to know more and advice is accepted.